Are you weary of spending countless hours on work only to receive a paycheck that quickly disappears? It's time to make a change and start earning passive income. Earning passive income is a smart way to supplement your regular income and build wealth over time. It involves investing your money or time into a venture that generates income with little to no ongoing effort required from you. In this video, we'll show you 4 smart ways to make passive income so you can live your life on your own terms and become financially independent. So get ready to take notes and make sure you stay with us until the end of this video. Number 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the most straightforward and reliable ways to earn passive income. Dividend stocks are a type of equity investment that pays out a portion of the company's earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends are typically paid on a regular basis, such as quarterly or annually, and provide a steady stream of passive income to investors. Dividend stocks are a low-risk investment option, as they are often issued by established companies with a long history of paying dividends to shareholders. This makes them an attractive option for individuals who are looking to build a diversified portfolio and earn passive income without taking on excessive risk. When you own dividend-paying stocks, you will receive a portion of the company's earnings each quarter, regardless of the stock's performance. This means that even if the stock price decreases, you will still receive a dividend payment. This provides a level of stability to your passive income stream, as the dividend payments can help offset any losses in the stock price. It's important to note that not all stocks pay dividends, and the amount of the dividend can vary widely from one stock to the next. Before investing in dividend-paying stocks, it's important to do your research and consider factors such as the company's dividend history, earnings potential, and growth prospects. Additionally, it's recommended that you consult with a financial advisor or an investment professional to determine if this investment strategy is right for you and to help you build a well-diversified portfolio. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a smart way to earn passive income. By investing in established companies that have a history of paying dividends, you can build a stable and diversified portfolio and enjoy a regular stream of passive income. With careful research and planning, investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy. Number 2. Invest in rental properties. Investing in rental properties is a popular strategy for earning passive income. As a landlord, you can generate a steady stream of income each month from rent paid by tenants who live in the properties you own. However, it's important to understand that being a landlord is not entirely passive, as it requires some time and effort to manage the property effectively. Before investing in rental properties, it's important to consider your financial situation and long-term goals. Investing in real estate can be a big financial commitment, so it's important to know all the costs, such as the cost of the property taxes, insurance, and ongoing maintenance and repairs. Once you have a clear understanding of the costs involved, you can start to explore the different options for investing in rental properties. One option is to purchase a single-family home or a multi-unit building and rent out the individual units. Another option is to invest in a real estate investment trust, REIT, which allows you to invest in a portfolio of properties without the need to manage them directly. When it comes to managing your rental properties, there are several factors to consider. First, you'll need to find and screen potential tenants to ensure that they will be reliable and responsible renters. You'll also need to handle any rent collection and maintenance issues that may arise from time to time. It's also important to stay up to date with local laws and regulations regarding rental properties, such as housing codes and health and safety requirements. Despite the time and effort required to manage rental properties, the rewards can be substantial. Rental properties can generate a stable and predictable stream of income, and over time, the value of the property may increase, providing a potential source of capital gains. Also, rental properties can be a great way to protect yourself from inflation, since rental income tends to rise with the cost of living. Investing in rental properties is a smart strategy for earning passive income. While being a landlord requires some time and effort, the rewards can be substantial, and over time, rental properties can provide a stable and predictable source of income. By considering your financial situation and long-term goals, and taking a responsible and informed approach to managing your rental properties, you can build wealth and secure your financial future through real estate investing. Number 3. Start a business or invest in a franchise. Start a business or invest in a franchise. One of the most lucrative ways to earn passive income is by starting a business or investing in a franchise. When done correctly, owning a business can provide a steady stream of passive income, freeing up your time to focus on other things in life. Starting a business from scratch can be challenging, but investing in a franchise offers a proven business model and support from the franchisor. When investing in a franchise, you have the opportunity to own a business that has already been tested and refined, reducing your risk of failure. Also, franchisors usually offer training, help with marketing, and ongoing support to help you run your business well. Once your business is up and running, you can hire employees or outsource certain tasks to free up your time and focus on growing your business. For example, you could hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day operations of your rental properties, or a virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks for your online course business. It's important to note that starting a business or investing in a franchise does require a significant upfront investment, but the long-term rewards can be substantial. In order to increase your chances of success, it's important to do your research and choose a business or franchise that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Starting a business or investing in a franchise could be a great way to earn passive income, but it requires hard work and dedication. By choosing a business that aligns with your skills and interests, and by outsourcing tasks to free up your time, you can build a successful and profitable business that generates passive income for years to come. Number 4. Create and sell an online course. Creating and selling an online course is an excellent way to earn passive income. The online education market is growing rapidly, and there is a huge demand for courses that can help people learn new skills and improve their knowledge. Whether you have expertise in a particular subject or have years of experience in your field, you can use that knowledge to create a course and reach a wide audience. The great thing about selling an online course is that once it's created, you can sell it over and over again, generating income on autopilot. You can also reach a global audience, as anyone with an internet connection can access your course. To get started, you'll need to determine what your course will cover and what your target audience is. Consider your expertise and think about the topics that you can teach others. Create a detailed outline of the course and determine what materials you'll need to create, such as videos, audio files, and written content. Once you've created the course, you'll need to find a platform to host it. There are many platforms available, such as Teachable, Udemy, and Kajabi, that can help you get your course online and reach a wide audience. These platforms also handle payment processing and other administrative tasks, so you can focus on creating the course content. While creating and selling an online course does require some upfront effort, the benefits of passive income can be substantial. You can reach a large audience and monetize your knowledge and skills, and once the course is created, you can sit back and collect the profits. Creating and selling an online course is a smart strategy for earning passive income. With the growing demand for online education, there's never been a better time to turn your expertise into a profitable venture. By investing your time and effort into creating a high-quality course, you can reap the rewards for years to come. That's it, folks. 4 smart strategies for earning passive income that will help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Remember, passive income streams take time to build, but they are worth it in the long run. Start small, be consistent, and stay focused, and you'll see the results in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video.